ingredients will also be in the description box.
In a food processor, blend together the onions and the breadcrumbs.
Crack an egg into a bowl, whisk it and add to the onion and breadcrumbs mixture.
Gradually add the minced beef into the food processor mixture.
Once it is all combined, transfer it into a bowl.
Mold the mixture into burgers. Here we are using a burger press.
Here we are putting them onto a baking tray so that we can freeze them ready for later.
This is the final product. Enjoy baking!